Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. Today we're here with something a little bit different than what we normally see. What I have made here is a box. I have built this from scratch. I followed a tutorial by a lady here on YouTube, and I'll link to her channel down below. So this is going to be a gift, a housewarming gift for one of my friends who recently purchased a home. So this is something that I made so that she and her husband can document their house and their family as it continues to grow. So what we're looking at here is the outside of the box, just completely constructed out of chipboard and everything. She shows you how to do it all. On the inside, I have it just lined with paper from the paper stack that I picked. And this is kind of like a box an explosion box. And so basically all of the sides fold out, and as you can see, majority of where the stuff will be housed is on the left hand side. So I'm just going to start at the top and just go kind of like clockwise. I've definitely included a lot of journaling cards and photo mats for her to print pictures out and have them all saved here. So you'll see a lot of that. So moving over to the left-hand side of the box now, this is where all of the pages are. So of course it's really reinforced here, so to make sure everything stays in place. And on the very first page, I have built a box, and inside of that box are a bunch of different little photo mats and stuff where she can mount photographs on the printed paper side if she wants to, and she can do even journaling on the back with gel pen. So I thought that would be a pretty fun idea to do some documenting with. And this piece of paper here is so perfect for her because on her Instagram she was showing in her house she's built this wall with a bunch of wood planks like that exact paper. So I was like, oh my gosh, this was way too perfect for her. So this last little one here is just a little folder where she can mount a couple of, it doesn't have to be pictures, it could be other papers or documents, things that she just wants to save that's relative to her house, her family. Flipping over here, I have just added a little paper flower, and there are a couple more photo mats on this side pocket. And on the opposite side, I have a little flip out, and there are a bunch of those cute little sayings throughout the book. So this one says thankful, grateful, blessed, and then behind that I have added in a couple more photo mats, and that one actually had journaling lines on it, so I thought that was pretty neat. It's a little booklet here, so she can journal there on that little card or on the paper behind it and mat some things down. That's magnetized also, so it'll stay closed really nicely. There's some more of that pretty wood plank paper, and then I have a little tuck spot down at the bottom, and it's just the definition of home. So here I made a little tuck spot out of the word love never fails there, and then just put a photo mat, and then it flips up so something can get glued there, and it also flips down so something can get glued there as well. So I made a little belly band with a journaling card in it, and then behind that just placed two photo mats in. And this one is magnetized also. Flipping over, just double page pocket here. So there are a couple photo mats in here, and then at the bottoms of each of the pockets I just made little cards that I closed with some ribbon, and she can just flip that up and post glue or paste something at the top and do some journaling at the bottom part, and that's the same on both sides. So on the next page here, just a little place for a photo or something, and there are a few more photo mats in here, and I just did it kind of like alternating with the wooden planks, with the white wooden planks and then the dark wood on the opposite sides. Home is when we are together. That's written there in gold foil. On the next page here, this is just the little piece that keeps this little waterfall closed, and it's magnetized also. There's a little tuck spot, so I just moved that little journaling card over there. So I was thinking that she could mount stuff on the side with the pattern paper and then just do journaling about that particular photo on the right hand side. So I mean, of course she's a crafter, she knows how to do these things. But a few more photo mats here, and then there's another little journaling spot down at the bottom and another little magnetized closure here. And flipping that open, there's just some space and journaling spots and some more of that pretty wood paper. Couple more photo mats here and a journaling spot down at the bottom. And then the last page here is just it's kind of like a half sheet, and it's just a place where she can mount some things. What I was showing there is that you can mount your photos on front and still have a pretty border left behind. So in the back here, I just have made the top and bottom words. I made those kind of like so she can tuck a large photograph in here if she wants to. That would look really pretty. And then there's just some like loose photo mats that I put down in the back. And then these four here I will show you in just a second. It was a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I had to cut it down so that it would fit into 6 by 6, but it's the family tree. So when you put it all together, I thought that would be such a super fun element for like her children, her grandchildren, and it goes on and on to go back and look at, so she can fill it out with all of the family names. So, and then they get to piece it together like a little puzzle. I thought that was so fun. So this is it, and I hope she loves it, and I hope her husband loves it too, and I hope she will like using this and just enjoy it and having it to look back on as the years go by. So congratulations again, my friend, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. This was super fun. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into, and until next time, toodaloo.